Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 of my favorite healthy dessert ideas. So basically, these are just a few examples that I recommend you guys give a try if you are anything like me and crave sweets, but want to stick to your weight loss goals or maintain your progress. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I lost 50 pounds and I've been able to maintain the weight loss ever since over the last several years with a healthier lifestyle and smarter eating habits. I get asked kind of frequent what my favorite desserts are, snacks are, alcohol drinks, and I wanted to do kind of like a little spin-off of my typical what I eat in a day video to do like these little subcategories for you guys. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram for day-to-day updates. I also have like a little highlight section there that share more what I eat in a day content as well. So let's get started with today's video. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make a super quick, easy, single serving Funfetti dip. So I'm first going to take some of my Funfetti cake cupcake mix. And I'm going to use about half a cup and about half a cup of Greek yogurt. You can use either an unflavored Greek yogurt or a vanilla. And same thing, about half a cup. And then you're going to stir this up really well. And it should turn into that nice light, fluffy texture once you get all the powder mixed in with the yogurt. There are a few slight variations of ways you can make this, so I'll put those down below in the description box if you guys are interested, but it only takes like a minute or two to make this. So simple, and you can have it with different items to dip in. I typically use fruit, but you could also use graham crackers, animal crackers, vanilla wafers, or just eat it with a spoon. It's up to you. Another great option that you can easily just have on hand are Built Bars. I typically keep a few in the fridge. The ones I have in here right now are the coconut almond, coconut, and the lemon almond cheesecake. I like this one more in the fridge because it makes that cool mint really stand out. I keep the other flavors that I have in my pantry here. So these I'll either eat as is, or sometimes I will microwave them if I want them to be like a warm, more gooey kind of brownie texture. But honestly, they're great as is. They have so many flavor options. They each have a chocolate coating on the outside and then this like fluffy, chewy, like sort of like a brownie type texture on the inside, full of flavor. Here's this one's label. Another perk is they are gluten-free, no preservatives, and natural flavoring. But it's a great low-calorie, low-fat, low-sugar, low-carb option while still getting that high protein. So it's extremely satisfying to anyone like me who craves sweets and just wants to have something on hand to grab, or even stashed away like in your purse or something to have anytime you find yourself with cravings. This flavor tastes identical to a Girl Scout cookie. One of my favorites. Another go-to for me over the last few years that's super simple is this next option. So all you're gonna need is some fruit. Typically I will have strawberries, then some fat-free whipped cream or Cool Whip. It's really light and refreshing, but also sweet enough as is with the fruit and the whipped cream. But if you are a chocolate lover, you can definitely add some sugar-free Hershey's syrup over top to give it more of that extra sweetness. This for me is more of like a summertime go-to sweet tooth satisfaction. This is another quick, easy option that can be pre-made and have ready on hand in the freezer. All you're gonna need is a cookie sheet, a baking pan, some type of container that you can line with parchment paper. Then about a cup of Greek yogurt. Today I'm gonna use vanilla. And I'm just gonna spread this out in somewhat of an even layer, all on the bottom. Then you can add whatever fruit you would like, frozen or fresh. Today I'm using some strawberries and blueberries. And today I'm also gonna add some mini chocolate chips. Then we're just gonna place this in the freezer for about an hour. It may take longer depending on the size and thickness. Then it'll be ready to cut up and eat. When it's completely frozen, it's ready to cut. You can then place the extra pieces in little Ziploc baggies or a container, so they're prepped and ready for any time you want another piece. There's also a bunch of different ways you can make this, so I'll put a few of my other favorites for this down in the description box. My last example for today's video is a protein milkshake. You're going to need a blender. Then I'm going to add in a cup of ice, 1/4 cup of oat milk, about a tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 scoop of protein powder, and about half a cup of Greek yogurt. Then blend this all together until the consistency looks very thick and smooth. Then it's ready to enjoy. Depending on how thick you make yours, you can eat it with a spoon or sip it out of a cup or straw. So that's everything for today's 5 healthy dessert examples. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would also love for you guys to comment down below any of your favorite healthy dessert options, whether it's something prepackaged and convenient or if it's a recipe, whatever it is, leave it down below. I'd love to give it a try. Also be sure to check out the description box for a ton more information, including more in-depth recipes and direct links to shop anything mentioned in this video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.